Hey community, we're back, and I'm Brandy B, the community MP.
And I'm Brandy G, the community MP.
And together we are
B&B, the community MPs.
So today we just want to come to you real quick and tell you about the update. I think they announced it today.
Yes.
That they're pulling the Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine because of some of the side effects.
Yes.
That it's, or some of the things that it's causing.
And we just recently did a video on
Johnson
the Johnson vaccine, so we wanted to come back just to give you guys an alert.
Yeah.
Okay? So what's going on?
So as of April 12th.
Yes, which was yesterday.
Yeah, so more than 6.8 million doses of Johnson & Johnson vaccine have been given in the United States. So currently the CDC and the FDA are reviewing data involving 6 reported U.S. cases of a rare and severe type of blood clot.
Okay. All 6 cases have been among women ages 18 to 48, so that's the younger population that's able to get the vaccine. The blood clot is called cerebral venous sinus thrombosis. It was seen in a combination with low levels of blood platelets. Okay. So it's treated different from other types of blood clots. So the other treatments like heparin and all those things that we get for blood clots is not treatment of choice for this type of blood clot.
Actually said it's dangerous if they give heparin to this type of blood clot.
The symptoms occurred 6 to 13 days after the vaccination.
And the symptoms are severe headache, abdominal pain, leg pain, shortness of breath. And if you notice or you have any of those symptoms within 3 weeks after the Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine, then you need to go to the ER.
Please go to the ER.
Don't waste no time calling around. Just go straight to the ER.
And I say this, Brandon, because we just did a series of videos on blood clots and how severe and how serious blood clots can be. So you guys, please say them symptoms again, Brandy.
Severe headache, abdominal pain, leg pain, shortness of breath.
Please go to the ER. Please go to the ER.
Yes.
And it's crazy that this came out because a couple of days ago, probably a week ago, I was showing you some of the side effects that I had. Now, I had the Moderna vaccine and probably like 13 or 14 days after, you saw my arm. My arm was really indurated, swollen, and warm.
Yeah.
So I'm be honest with you, the first thing came to my mind was, did I form a blood clot in my I did. But it eventually went away. It's probably like 2 or 3 days after I showed you the pictures, it went away.
But it lasted a while.
It was like 13 days. My husband said I had another arm growing out my arm.
Yeah, this is what happened to Brandy with the corona vaccine, Moderna. She has a circumference 16 days later of looks like 4 inches. Let's going to move this away and we're going to zoom out a little bit. So you can see that the circle is there, it's red, it's bubbly.
So y'all, these side effects, if you have side effects, please go to the ER. Immediately, please.
Yes. And then so basically the plan right now, the CDC and FDA have put a pause on the administration of that vaccine.
So what put a pause means to stop, right?
Right, yeah.
All right, so they're not administering this vaccine at all.
Do not get it until you hear that it's safe to get again, if it becomes safe.
Okay.
And so, we work close to Fair Park, and usually Fair Park is like,
packed with lines. And today when we was on our way to tape, we didn't see anyone in line. So I wonder if they had the
Johnson & Johnson.
I saw on the news this morning that they say that the DFW area was about to do a big push, especially they was partnering with a nursing association to go into patient homes.
Oh.
Yeah. And it was going to be the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. So that has been halted.
Yes.
They're not doing it at all.
But tomorrow, April 14th, the CDC is supposed to meet with the ACIP, which is the Advisory Committee of Immunizations, and discuss what the plan is.
Okay. And so for all our followers, go back, if you want to know more about blood clots, go back and look at our videos on blood clots.
I'll put the link above.
Yeah, go back and look at those videos.
And so that's pretty much it. We just wanted to, like we said, come back and tell you guys, we did a video on the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Yes.
Probably 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And we just wanted to let you know that currently it has been stopped.
Yes.
So nobody is getting it right now.
Okay, so if you did get the vaccine and you do have them symptoms, please go to the ER.
And just if you got the vaccine, monitor yourself for those symptoms.
Yes,
Monitor
yes.
if you know somebody else that got that vaccine and they developed those symptoms, and you tell them to go to the emergency room.
Yes.
ASAP.
Yes. All right.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just remember to follow us and subscribe to us on YouTube. On Facebook and Instagram.
And YouTube too.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel. She gets me all mixed up. And what's the disclosure?
That this information is solely for educational purposes. It does not replace you going to your primary care provider, period. Okay? So therefore, this is information to share with you guys.
Yes. And for the latest information on the COVID vaccines, you can always check with cdc.gov.
Yes.
All right. Y'all have a great day. If you have questions, reach out to us.
Remember why we do this, Brandy?
Community is our beauty. Now back to what I was saying. If y'all have questions, reach out to us. All right.
I love it.
Bye.